Kung ako naman sana, di ba? Ginawa ko rin yung theme song, di ba? Kung ako naman sana ang iyong minahal, mag-iisa, di ka na muling luluhan pa, di ka na magkangailangan pa, humanap ng iba. Galing naman ito. Narito ang puso ko, naghihintay lamang. Yabag na. Yung prompt na yun, palakpakan natin siya. Oy! Naman may request? Ibukas na lang mga 70s song. Ha? Ngayon at kailanman. Ngayon at kailanman. Sumpa ko'y ibigin ka. Ngayon at kailanman. Hindi ka na mag-iisa. Sa hirap mo, pinahawakan, asahan mo'y kasama ka, sinta.
Lagi na nito, lagi nito. I love you.
Ngayon at tapusin na natin, uy! What else? Ano, wala na, no? Nakanta mo na, ha? Ano, butsikit? Maging sino ka man? At pwede kumanta. O, marunong ka ba makanta? Sino yung gusto mo kanta sa maging sino ka man? Duet ba? Duet? Come on, guys. It's your celebration tonight. You know, we still have a lot of surprises for all of you. There will be bands playing after this. There will be a party. So please just stay and, we'll enjoy the night. Ha? Maging sino ka man? Gusto ka kumanta with me? Ha? After all? Kaya talaga, niloloko niyo na ako eh. Okay, are you guys ready to dance this time? Can I ask everybody to please stand up? Because, I'll be singing 70s music. Okay, this is your chance to dance and to celebrate tonight. Okay, let's go back to the 70s. I love the nightlife. I got to go ahead. All of the good. Yeah. Mama. We don't talk about love tonight. We don't talk about freedom. We don't talk about being you and all the trouble that we make you go. We don't talk about all the days you have. Looking on me. I wanna know what people think about love action. I wanna live action. I can do it together. I wanna give it. I wanna get some. Here's another song for the 17th. I never figured it could hide. Just nowhere. I never figured it could hide. Every time I come telling on it's okay for there's no everything vibration. Here's the deep out to the core. It's just something to moving to know you have something to realize. Let's